How to fix Google Meet keeps crashing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Meet keeps crashing on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here type Meet and click on it and then click force stop. Now click storage and then clear cache, and after that click permissions and give it all of those permissions here, and that's it. Now just go back and go to battery and disable power saving mode and enable performance mode. This one will help you to fix your problem, and if you find it here just enable it, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.